In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert your JPEG file to PNG. So as we can see, this file is JPG, and if you want to convert to PNG, so right click and click on edit. So you can convert this file in any another format without using any extra software. So click on file, then hover cursor to save as, and in here select any another format like PNG. So select it and give your desired name, then click on save. Now close it. So now as we can see, we have both type file, JPG and PNG. So this one is the first and this is the converted PNG file. So this difference, like this, we can very easily without using any software, we can convert any JPG file to PNG. Thanks for watching.